Hi everyone, Mike here from Robart, and today we're going to be talking about part number 121. This is the 60 size mechanical tail retract. So I went ahead and took everything out of the package. The first thing that you're going to see is the retract, and then you'd see the spare parts list. The spare parts list here will have all the different bits and pieces. But the other thing you want to notice is on this side, it has some mounting instructions, and then it actually shows the gear in the retracted and the deployed positions. So very simply, this is a mechanical operated retract. You have 3 mounting places here for your servo to attach. Simply pull on the retract on the nub here. As your servo pulls on that, that will bring the tail wheel up in the retracted position, and then as your servo pushes on this, it will then deploy the gear. It does lock out with this lift link coming over center. That is your lockout, so it's nice and strong for your landing. It has a pull steering with a centering spring to assist with taxiing. Mounting, here's your mounting plate. You have 4 screw holes for mounting. You also have 2 mounting flanges on the bottom side and 2 mounting flanges on the top. So if you have any questions on part number 121, this is the 60 size tail retract from Robart with a mechanical operation. Give us a call at 630-584-7616. Check us out online at www.robart.com or follow us on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Pinterest. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.